Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can run and create Flutter projects in VS Code. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to make sure you have installed the extensions Dart. Second extension is the Flutter. Once these two extensions you have installed, you can go to your terminal in VS Code. Here is my terminal. Now I will be creating my project in the desktop directory. So I'll run flutter create and then the name of the project. For now I'll do demo. So it will start creating my project in the desktop directory, and you can see all my files are now present here. My main.dart file also. Now here I can do cd demo and then you can simply run your emulator. Now I have created a video already on how you can add the emulators in VS Code. So the link is in the description. You can watch that video. It is a simple and short process. You can directly add emulators in VS Code. Once that is done, you can come back to this video. Now let's just start our emulator first. If you face any issues throughout the entire process, you can just simply comment down below and I will help you there. And if this process helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. You can also comment down if you have any other errors or any other issues related to coding, and I can help you for that, and or I can even create a video on it. Now you can see my emulator is running. Now I will simply go back to my terminal. Now here in my desktop directory, I will write flutter devices first. Let me check if my emulator is showing up. You can see my emulator is shown over here. Now here I will do flutter run. You can see my main.dart file is running on the SDK gphone64, which is my emulator. Right, so there are no errors. So thanks for watching the video. If you faced any issue, just comment down below and make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.